What's up, y'all? Okay, today I will be making, it's called the Cloud Erwin One Smoothie. I made the Haley Bieber smoothie already. If you didn't see that, check that out after you watch this. And I said I wanted to make the cloud because I like the color. Yeah, I had blue matcha, so I was like, make this. I don't like that green matcha. Yuck! In their round voice. But the blue tea, it's not with me. I'll show you the ingredients as I go along and make it. So this is the cup I will be using. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my blue tea, like pretty much decorated on the sides of the cup. Alright, and this is how it looks. Alright, I got coconut milk. You're supposed to use it to also line it as well, but I'm also gonna use it to put it inside my drink. I don't think they put theirs in their drink. I'm gonna do it though. Ain't gotta be exactly like this. Alright, take a little bit and also put it on the side. A little something. I put my cup to the side. Now I'm gonna bring my food processor back in. Matcha blue tea. I said I'm gonna put some coconut milk. It's half a tablespoon. So I'm gonna do like 3. Okay, this is a combination of fruits. You're supposed to use pineapple and banana. This is my frozen banana. Yeah. My pineapple. So I got mango in here as well. It's actually somewhat mango, but the recipe that I looked up, I don't see mango. I'm gonna use it though, because I bought it. It's candy kind. They don't have candy in there, but I'm gonna have it in mine. Using this. This is the mango. If you want to use regular mango and stick to it, the recipe, go right ahead. I'm not though. I see some reviews, they say it's not as sweet enough for them. You know they ain't gonna fly with me. And they ain't gonna fly, ain't gonna walk, it ain't gonna run. And they ain't gonna do none of it with me. If you see in the recipe when I made the almond butter, this is right here. You gotta check that out if you didn't see it. Once you see this first. Alright, this is a half a tablespoon. I'm gonna use a tablespoon. Think about putting another one. Should I? do half this time. So a tablespoon and a half. They use like vanilla collagen. I don't have that. I will be using my vanilla though. And my regular collagen. This is, I think, grape. They don't have it, but I'm gonna use it though. And this is a half a tablespoon I'm gonna use. I'm gonna also use my vanilla paste, half a tablespoon. As well as my vanilla flavoring extract. This one I think I'm gonna use less, so like half a teaspoon really. My avocado wasn't right. However, I didn't want to get soft, so they say you can put it in the oven. Now it's not gonna be it's right, but it will be soft. That's all I need, baby. I just need to be soft. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my avocado. Alright, now I'm gonna use my almond milk. I made this almond milk, and this I also added in some regular whole milk to the almond as well as some salt. I'm just putting enough in order to blend it and to make my drink. Put some salt and go ahead and blend that up. Alright, I went ahead and blended it. It looked like the color when I made Earl Grey. That's latte. If you didn't see that, watch it after you see this. It's that color. Now, before I even assemble and drink it, I'm testing out to see if I need to add additional sugar. But you're not gonna get me. Yeah, I like this. Not overly sweet, not as sweet as I would like it, but it's sweet enough. It's giving healthy sweet. Now I do want to have a little bit more white in it. It is what it is though. This is pretty. Midnight. Let's give it. Yeah, I'm tasting that coconut. I think I can taste the candiness on the mango. Yeah, I'm tasting the mango more now. It's healthy. It tastes healthy, but it tastes still like with sugar in it. It's good. I know some of y'all probably thinking like, which one you like the best? The Haley Bieber one, which is the strawberry glaze one, or this cloud one. I thought I would like the taste of the Haley Bieber one better, but I did kind of like change it just a little bit, but not much. I think them both the same. I probably just a little bit more because of color, but as far as taste, I like them both the same. Now to drinks again. For them, Air One, let's give an error because y'all made a mistake with that price. You think I'm gonna pay for that? You made an error. I wonder why you call Air One. Need to be $1 or so, but still. But am I really playing? However, if I was to buy from them, it's not for me. If y'all want to, I'm not persuading y'all not to, but I'm not. As far as like making it on my own, I don't even remember how much that matcha was. Like I said, I got it a while ago, and I still got it. You can make it more than once. It's good though. If you make it by yourself, yes, I definitely would. It's like this way for free, or if I had the ingredients at home, yeah, I'll make it all the time. To buy it, just no. Tastes better than almond butter. Like I guess people who use that they don't really taste as much because they don't put that much in there. I guess the recipe don't call for that much. That's why I put a little bit more because I want to taste it. Also, too, they probably got the almond butter with just the almonds in it. If you watch the recipe, you will see what all I put in there, baby. I don't just want no nuts in it. What would I rate this? It's not bad. I'll give it a 10. 10 out there, baby. Have a blessed day.